Do you want to win every time? I have explained 4 powerful reasons in this video. You have to apply these in your next trade. Now, let's get started. As you can see, I have placed an order in IndusInd Bank, 170 quantity. Currently, the price is above our buying price. The average is 518.70, and this is the chart. Let's see how it goes. I will explain you as I complete my trade. So our buying price is at long position. Buying price is 518. We'll put our long position there, 518.70, and target we have kept is days high is 521.50. Currently market is at 520 and just few point away from our target. Stop loss is at, let's see, our stop loss order is 516. That gives us our a risk to reward of 1.14. So as you can see, we have completed our target, and now let me explain you today's trade. So let's start with the first question: why did I take this trade? So for that we'll go to 1 day time frame, and you can see a trend line going from here and touches all the lows of candles this way. Let me make this dark for you. After this trend line, we'll again move to 15-minute time frame. So you can see price is above the trend line, means it is still in the bullish phase, means people are still buying. And after that, the second reason is Nifty 50. So you can see here Nifty making higher highs, so that's a good sign for the other stocks. And also, as IndusInd Bank is a bank, so we can also check Bank Nifty here. So Bank Nifty is also bullish today. So that is the two reason. The next third reason is in 5-minute time frame. So you can see here a triangle pattern. As we discussed this yesterday, price gave a breakout here, this candle, then took a pullback, and then it started moving upward. So that's why I bought my major quantity at 518.70, and the reason for target is days high, because we don't know whether the market will continue higher or it will take a reverse from the days high. That's why I took a smaller target, and with that target I put a stop loss of 516, which is again the day's low. So when you are trading in intraday, you must settle for lower targets. I told you yesterday that 1:2 is the best target for intraday. So I also took the target under that, 1:14. So the next reason for trade is the volumes. So whenever market made a green candle, the volume were always high. So this is today's candle, 9:15, 24th August, high volume. Again a green candle, we can say high volume. And whenever there were red candles, you can see less volumes every time. And when the market gave a breakout, again high volumes with green candles. Next, go and watch two very important videos. One is triangle pattern technical analysis, and other is how to recognize false breakout. As I also took a trade in triangle pattern, and you can see live example how important it is. You should watch that video. As I upload new videos every day, you must subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up to this video, and I'll see you in the next one.